that's like...
Go!
Get out of here! So loud! Hey yo! Hey yo! The guy from Fortnite!
Oh my god, it's like my first Fortnite!
Oh my god, Zero!
High five!
This is what? Yo, this is the most... You right there. I
got it.
Yo, guys,
skin, man. Black skin.
Zero! High five! Zero! Jesus. It's a monstrosity. That one guy that does the mod, the chef guy, whatever his name is. He's in the lobby. Can't. It's like sucking me to the ground. Zero!
Get him!
Danger, you are my first finger finger!
Tickle danger! The fucking
Get out of my seat! Get out of my seat!
Let's go!
Get out of my seat! 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 Get out of my seat!
Kick me out of my own truck! Hop in the truck!
No, Zero! I got kicked out!
Danger, I don't like it.
He's for two!
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Hey Zero, guess what? You're the first mod I've seen in this game. That means you're a W.
Huh?
Hey, you're my first
You're
mod.
the first mod I've seen. That means you're a W.
Yeah!
Who are you again?
W0!
Who are you again?
I
W0!
don't know who I am.
No, you know who you are.
He just ran all of us over.
Man, he's not very nice.
Oh, they're all falling from the sky.
Bro, it's raining. Yeah, that guy wasn't very nice. He ran us over.
I am done that!
Oh, hey, pick me up! Pick me up! No!
Hey, Zero.
Pick me up! Yo, Galaxy
Pick me
Rat
up.
Hat Gang. Galaxy Rat Hat Gang.
Hi, Zero. I love you.
I hate the galaxy rat!
Give me the truck! I got a fucking gun.
Give me the thing card!
Oh my god! Wait, let me in your car. Let me in the car. Let me in the car. I'm in! Let me in the car.
Zero, get in!
Drive.
Where's Zero?
Drive. Oh gosh, we're doing flips.
Wait, Zero!
This is crazy. Good luck to you. like being sucked into the ground.
My bad. My bad. Oh, I fell out.
I keep on getting kicked out of the truck. I keep on getting kicked out of the truck.
Here.
I don't want to die. Zero, can you hold me in your arms and cradle me like a baby?
Man, please. I hate you. Yes, I'm in.
Wait, where's that free hat?
I hate it.
I'm ready.
Hey pal, wanna hear a cool rap I just made? 3, 2, 1, hit it! My name is Jingle and I'm here to say a jingle is cool! Oh, hey, I like to steal people's food!
I'm out of here, bro.
Probably high.
19.
Yes.
C-A-P.
Here.
I'm gonna go hijack
My PC! I carry. Oh my PC!
I'm so happy, guys.
If my head is not where's average monkey My internet is up, average is in level 10, go to level 10. Bro, I'm on 10 FPS.
Level 10.
My PC! 10 FPS right now. Tell you, shoot me with the J-Man gun. Starting to leave back. Yo, someone shoot me with J-Man gun. My FPS. Average, please come out, bro. My head is about. Wait, what if Average is live streaming and we can just see where he is?
Average monkey!
Oh yeah.
Where's Average? Where's Average monkey?
Here.
No, but I got mad today, but
What's up, monkers? What's up, monkers? What's up, monkers?
It's me.
I don't know if you're...
So let's get on with the video.
No, it's Average.
Yo, average monkey right there.
So first off, let's troll with the J-Man gun.
Average isn't real.
Now let's leave the level.
Average is very average.
Bro, who's my name? Who said my name? I'm scared. Someone said my name and I'm scared.
I'm at 17 FPS right now.
Everybody. What happens if I mute everyone? What happens if I mute? What happens if you mute everyone?
I'm gonna try it.
You can't mute everyone.
Trust, this is peak content.
It doesn't work.
Yeah, it doesn't.
Average muted though, which is surprising.
I don't even think Average is in this code.
I think it's
No, he was a couple seconds ago. I've been in this code since the start. If you look at this when I was there level 12. Look at the very bottom. Like you can see my name. Look at my name.
So laggy.
I've been in this server for so long, bro.
I don't know where he is.
Everybody follow me for a minute, please. Everybody follow me for a minute, please.
Wait, Purples is in here?
Oh my goodness, how?
Just for a minute, every single person, please. I need at least 20 people, please.
I can barely.
Where's back in? There's no way.
Oh God.
Help.
Hey, I owe some people some money. Can you help me out?
Okay, I need everybody. Can you bring everybody you can here, please? Please, I'm begging you.
Good job, guys. Oh gosh, there's one guy in the jail cell. I see him. It goes all the way down. The name goes all the way down.
Everybody, go to the shop. Go to the shop. Go to the shop.
Go to the shop.
Go to the shop.
Why?
I don't know. The guy wants us to. Hey, we'll go to the shop. The shop. Shop. Go to the shop.
Let's go to the shop.
Go to the shop. Everybody, go to the shop.
Oh my god.
Too many people.
Hey, Pizza, go to the shop.
Oh my god.
You go to the shop.
Shrek.
Dang it.
If we actually got 100 people, then I bet he'd cheer for
Alright, I got a story for you guys that I just remembered. The year was 1998. I was on vacation away from
I'm not average
St.
monkey,
Shack
man.
or whatever. I decided to go to Las Vegas and start gambling. So I start gambling.
But how about 2
and
subscribers? I'm not average
at
monkey.
the time, I win really big. $2.5 billion. I lose it all in one night, but you know, it was
What a lovely day doing today.
yeah, I'm not really sure about the answer, but I was in for about 19 years.
Oh my gosh, there's people in here.
Damn,
Oh, it's mine.
I'm in the front seat.
Oh man.
No, I have one question.
Ultra mode. Oh my God, Zero.
Yeah, my seat as well. Why is there like 4,000 people in my seat?
Well,
If Arrow's
I
mad,
can't right
if
now. I'm
Zero's
trying to
mad,
drive. 100. Oh shoot! Ah! We're out. I am placing blocks and crap cause I'm in freaking Minecraft. I am placing blocks and crap cause I'm in freaking Minecraft.
No, wait.
It's me.
It's to the Danger's house.
No.
Get in.
Danger, what's
Danger,
good?
how's it?
Danger, I'm in the driver's seat. I'm in the driver's seat.
don't kidnap me. Danger, don't kidnap me.
Let me in the car.
Danger. Can I have a fist bump? Danger, get out.
Bye guys.
My God.
No, they're flying again.
He's going to outer. Danger's going to outer space.
I don't know how that guy's just flying through the air, but okay.
I'm getting out of here. Hey, what's up, bro?
And I accidentally lost Frisky down the drain.
Who are you?
Oh, danger.
Danger, like,
I can't even
Danger,
do it.
danger. I'm such a big fan.
He's in level. Guys, everyone. Arrow. Oh, it's a.
Yeah, go red. Go red.
Who is that? Can we be level 18?
I am not becoming a
Right, there's
ranger.
another one in here.
Can we be level 18?
Wait, who's in there? Who's in there? Who's in there?
No moderator.
Oh yeah, I'm not making it right because I'm moving.
Zero.
Level 18.